for answering some questions for our psychology class. And first of all, we would like to begin with what is normal behavior?
I think normal behavior is anything that kind of is in line with the cultural norms of society. And yeah, it's the culture that determines what these norms are.
Will you provide us with some examples of what normal behavior can be?
Yeah, for example, normal behavior is maybe feeling embarrassed when you break one of these norms, or stopping at red lights. That is normal behavior. Being respectful to elders, probably normal behavior in all cultures.
And what is abnormal behavior?
I think abnormal behavior stems from a breakdown in empathy. When you don't know how others perceive you, when you don't realize that you're interacting with other people that have the same feelings and the same feelings, the same soul, the same motivations as you, then that's when you can see abnormal behavior. Also, there's like psychological diseases as well. I'm sure Ms. Rodriguez can tell you about those.
And
She's great.
and can you provide some examples of what abnormal behavior would be?
The biggest example of abnormal behavior would be sociopaths. And not all of them are the serial killers that you constantly hear about in the news, but sociopaths are those who continuously break the cultural norms, societal norms, in big ways. Not just like small norms, but bigger taboos, I guess.
And who do you think should decide what normal and abnormal behavior is and why?
I mean, there's no one decider. There are people that could influence societal norms, but it's a collective. Abnormal behavior and normal behavior is decided by the collective group, I think. And there are probably key players that could influence behavior, like the King of Spain made that lisp, and so that became normal behavior because he was developed a lisp and he wanted to disseminate that. Maybe TV and what people perceive in the media, that could influence behavior and influence normal behavior, but no one should decide.
Alright, thank you for answering the questions.
Hey, no problem. I had a fun time.